Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Last week I showed you how to draw this Corinthium Column top. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Corinthium Column Base. Comes from my book, How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. And we're going to start by putting in the big block at the bottom. Draw very, very lightly. I say this every time. Don't press too hard because then it'll be very hard to erase it later. So we're drawing a block at the bottom, and then we want a kind of a sausage sitting on top of it. So it's going to be a bit like that. And then if that's kind of going up there, we want to come in a little bit to about there, and about the same distance across like that. And then we want to draw another sausage on top of that, so it's coming in that bit, so it's just that bit shorter, and then the column itself will be going up to meet the capital up at the top, not the capital city but the capital of the column, and we're just going to kind of cut that in half there, and then these are kind of little curves, semicircles really, and then you need an inward semicircle there, so a semicircle and an inward semicircle, and they kind of join up in this kind of S serpentine shape. Now here, draw a little line across so you know where you're heading. There, draw a kind of a curve coming down and a curve coming down, and then bang in the middle you're going to want to have another, this is going to be a kind of a leaf, so we need to get this so that they're all pretty equal, and you might need to play with that, and that's why we do it in pencil beforehand, so we can get this bit worked out first. So I am going to draw this kind of sausage first, I think, and go all the way around like that. There, and then we can go just slightly curved down, slightly curved on this big block of stone at the bottom, the base of the column. Then we want to draw this sausage like that, and we want to add a bit of pattern to this. So we're going to do stripes, diagonal stripes across it, like that. It's kind of giving you a sort of a rope feeling. And this is draw stuff real easy, so we're just doing stripes rather than doing that whole kind of rope thing, which is so easy to make it look messy. But that'll just make it look nice and simple. And then we want to draw in that curve, like that. Now, if we come up here and then down, up here and then down, then the column will be just fractionally thinner going up there. And then we want to come and draw these leaves, which is essentially what they are, like that, and then put lines up the middle of the three in the middle, and then we want to go and put the ribs of the leaves like that. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It sounds like I'm dancing a waltz. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines because you didn't press too hard and you didn't grind the pencil into the paper, did you? Now all we need to do now is to put the flutes in the column. So this again is going to be kind of get a line to work to, and here we want to draw a half flute, as it were, and then we're going to want to draw in the middle, get that bit going up there nicely, and then we need to squeeze 2 in there, so maybe you need to kind of work that out a little bit, and I think that's going to come down there and up, down there and up, and that's going to come down, that's going to go all the way up to the top and join just below the capital. So that's the grooves, the flutes in the column. If you join me on Patreon, I'll show you how to paint this, and you can download a copy of my book, How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy too. Come and join me, why not? In the meantime, keep drawing. Practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.